Hey y'all, welcome back to Ukulele Wine Time. My name is Catherine. Today we're going to check out how to play I've Been Working on the Railroad. We just need 3 beginner chords to play this song, C, F, and G. Let's check it out. All right, y'all, this is part of my Easy Kid Song series. So it's a group of songs I put together in a playlist. Songs just like this one, just using C, F, and G, or even just C and G. Perfect for beginners, perfect if you're a parent that wants to play music with and for your children, or if you're a singer and you're wanting to learn how to sing and strum at the same time. So great place to get started. I've also put these songs all in a book that you can print out at home, put it in a binder, write your notes in there. All of the lyrics are bolded that line up with the chords. So if you're a visual person like I am, this is an awesome tool to have with you. Super fun. Also, if your kids are in lessons and they want to play it on the piano or the ukulele or guitar. Okay, let's get started. So we just need C, F, and G. In this video, I'm going to first line up the chords with the lyrics. We'll put those together slowly. Then we're going to count a little bit. I'm going to show you a couple different strumming patterns to level up if you're ready. We'll talk starting pitch. So if you want to sing the song, I'll show you where to start, and then we'll do the whole song together. So let's start with the chords that we'll need for this song. So we need C, F, and G. If you need a review of how to play those chords, check out this video where I take you step by step where to put your fingers, how to play those. You can also level up this song by adding a D chord or a G7 or a G7 chord. So I'll do a quick review at the end of this video, timestamped below, if you want to see how to play those chords. But those are optional, and you can just keep it C, F, and G if you would like. Okay, let's get started. So we start with a C chord. I'm going to help you line up the chords with the lyrics. So we start with C on the word I've, and then we hang out on C, also on the word railroad. On the word all, the livelong day, we switch to an F, and then day, we're back to C. Let's try that little chunk together. Nice and slow. I've been working on the railroad to F now. All the livelong day. And then we stay on F for I've been working on the railroad. Now we move to G, just to pass the time away. We stay there. Now that is a place where you could also play a D chord on just to pass the time away, D to G. Or if you just want to keep it simple, you do G, G. Pass the time away. The level up is D, G. Pass the time away. Okay? Let's put just that much together. And I'm going to do the simple G chord, so I won't play D. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. All right, let's keep going. Our next section, we stay on G for the word can't. And then on the word blowing, we're back to C. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? And these next 2 lines, we go F to C, F to C. So on the word rise, we switch to F. Rise up so early in the morn, back to C, and then back to F on can't. Can't you hear the captain shouting? Shouting, we're back on C. Then this next part, we go C to G to C. Dinah, blow your horn. So C, and then on the word blow, we switch to G, and then horn is back to C. Oh my gosh, let's put that second part all together. Starting from can't you hear the whistle blowing on a G. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morn. Back to F. Can't you hear the captain shouting? Great job. We have chickens at home. I don't know if you can hear the chickens in the background, but I just heard them go bark, 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 bark. Okay, let's switch. I've got page 2 of my awesome looking printout. Oh my gosh, these look amazing. Okay, moving on to Dinah, won't you blow, Dinah, won't you blow, Dinah, won't you blow your horn. So this goes C, F, G, C. And then it does it again. C, F, G, C. So let's look at this next section. I'm just gonna jump right into it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Dinah, won't you blow, Dinah, won't you blow, Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow, Dinah, won't you blow, Dinah, won't you blow your horn? So every time we say Dinah, we switch chords. And then on the word horn, we're back to C. And then the next part, on the word someone, we play C. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. And you can hit another C on Dinah if you want. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. And then again on someone's in the kitchen, I know. G chord there on know. Back to C on someone. Someone's in the kitchen. Now we switch to F on Dinah with Dinah. A G chord here. Strumming on the old banjo. Let's put that together. 1, 2, 3. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen, I know. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Strumming on the old banjo. Okay, the song has a lot of sections, right? So we're on the last section of our song now. This is the Fee, Fi, Fi-Li-I-O. And we go C to G, C, F, G, and back to C. So I'll walk you through that. So on the first Fee, Fi, Fi-Li-I-O, you just stay on C. And the next one, Fee, Fi, Fi-Li-I. On the O, we switch to G. O, back to C. Fee, Fi, switch to F here. Fi-Li-I-O. G chord on the word strumming. Strumming on the old banjo. So on the Jo of banjo, you're back to C. Let's put that all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fee, fi, fiddly-I-O. Fee, fi, fiddly-I-O. Fee, fi, fiddle-I-O. Strumming on the old banjo. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's all of the songs, all the words where they line up with the chords. If you're still with me for this awesome walkthrough of this song, cheers to you. Let's take a little wine break. You've been working so hard. We got through the whole song. This is a long kid song. It's really cool that you got the different sections. I like to actually do each section a little bit faster when I play this song. It makes it really fun and exciting. So we can take a look at that as well. So we've gone through the chords and the lyrics. Let's talk a little bit about counting. I won't count the whole song, but let's go back to the beginning to this. I've been working on the railroad and talk about the counting there. So here's our heartbeat of the song. Been working on the railroad. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just count through a couple of the chords so you can get that the feel of the counting there. And then if you want to, I do recommend counting through all the chords of the song. Just a good way to become a more confident musician, and it can help you out when you're ready to level up your strumming patterns. And if you want to take this song faster at the end. Okay. 1, 2, here's the top. C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. ready to level up your strumming. So before we were holding each chord for 4 beats, C, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 beats each. Now we can hold the chord for 2 beats each. I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. Just to add a little more rhythm there to your song. I've been working on the railroad. And that, if you're counting that, it's C, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so most of the chords, the only part where that's a little bit different is that end. Can't you hear the catch? Dinah, blow your horn. That one will stay the same. C, 2, G, 2, C, 2, 3, 4. All right. If you want to level up your strumming pattern from there, you can try the down, down, up, down, 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 up pattern. Let me slow that down just a little bit. Down, down, up, down, down. Here's what that'll sound like. Here we go. I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. All right, we'll do the whole song at the end, but that's a little taste of that. If you want to pause the video and practice, you're down, down, up. Let's talk starting pitch, and then we'll be ready to do the whole song. If you're finding this video helpful, please cheers the like button below. Cheers to you for being here. It's so cool that you're taking the time to learn this song, to learn some ukulele. Maybe you're drinking wine, maybe you're drinking water. That's cool too. So cheers to you. And I hope you subscribe to my channel for more ukulele, more wine time, more ukulele wine time. Okay, let's get back to our starting pitch. So we are in the key of C for this song. So C is our home bass. That means this is our 1 or do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the nice thing about this song is that our melody or our starting pitch is on C. So you can play your open string here. So the second string down, I've been working on the railroad. So that's that section. Let me go to the next section. Dinah. Okay, so this one's different. On Dinah, the next section, we are on do, ti, la, so, Dinah. So that's a G, but this is an octave below that. Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Okay, so Dinah, that's a G to C. Talking notes, not chords here. That's a single pitch. For that section, and then someone's in the kitchen. That one starts on an E. So you could play an open E string. So it's the third one down from your face. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. So it's E, or also known as do, re, mi, or 1, 2, 3. That's for that section. And then our last section, same thing. Fee, fi, fiddly-I-O, fiddle-I-O, fiddle-I, fiddly-I, fiddle-I. Fee, fi. We'll see what I sing when we actually get there. So that one also starts on mi, or the third do, re, mi, or that's an E. Okay, it's time to do the whole song. Let's do it. I'll give us a count off. I will start with our strumming pattern with the 2 beats per chord, and then I will level it up to our down, down, up when we get to Dinah. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morning. Can't you hear the captain shouting? Dinah, blow your horn. Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't do a little C, G, C at the end. And if you want to have fun, speed it way up for that last section, you could try Fi, 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 oh, Fi, 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 oh, Fi, 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 oh, strumming on the old banjo. Woo! All right, thank you so much for being here. I hope you had so much fun learning. I've been working on the railroad with me. Cheers to you for being here, and I will see you next time. Ukulele wine time. Here's that quick chord review of those two alternate chords if you want to try them out. We've got our D chord. So we've got these 3 fingers across your second, 1, 2, second fret. They're all in a line on that same fret on your top 3 strings, and then the bottom strings open. So that is our D chord. And then anytime in the song that you want to play, that you see G, you could actually play a G7. So that's what that sounds like. Again, 3 fingers. Pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on the 3rd string down from your face. And then your next 2 fingers, your middle and your ring finger, come on the strings around that string, so surrounding that one on the 2nd fret. 1, 2. And that is our G7 chord. All right, enjoy it. Let me know how those work out for you. Ukulele wine time.